Today we'll talk about how can you upload documents on your FxPro app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on more down here, and just click here on more here. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just click here on my profile here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on upload documents here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you upload from your gallery. And here use camera or select type of document, then you click here on upload, then it's going to upload with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.